What's up guys, it's Charles here. In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to cast your phone display to your smart TV. So this tutorial is going to be the best tutorial you've ever watched, and if you own a smart TV and you're finding it difficult to cast your phone display, just stay tuned to the end of the video so that you'll be able to acquire the knowledge I'm about to feed out to you right now. So without wasting much of your time, let's vibe on. As always, so it's only going to take us 3 steps to cast our phone display to our smart TV. The first step is making sure that both devices are connected. The second step is turning on the data connection, and the third step is casting the phone display to the smart TV. Now let's start with the first step. Make sure that both devices are connected. Turn on the hotspot on your device and look closely to the smart TV to see if it's connected. Secondly, turn on your data connection, or Wi-Fi. You literally need to turn on your mobile data or Wi-Fi for the first time, and probably when it is cast to the smart TV, you can then turn it off. Now the third step to take for the magic to happen is to turn on the cast feature, and the cast feature is in every Android device. When you turn on the cast feature, your Android TV name will appear or smart TV name will appear. Tap on it to connect. When you tap on it, your smartphone display will show on your smart TV, and you can actually just flex out with this feature. So I hope this video is useful and helpful, and I believe you understand the steps, and just follow the steps and get everything right. It will not stress you at all. It is very easy, and my name is Charles. I talk about tech. You can check my videos on the channel. Please do not forget to give a thumbs to this video and also subscribe and turn on the notification bell to always get notified whenever a new video drops. Thank you for watching. See ya.